He knows the stroke.
And look at Aaron getting down, you guys. This is Amanda's little brother's car, y'all. We said F it and started just to wrap his car. If I was you guys, let's go ahead and pay somebody. Oh my gosh.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, Amanda said she's getting down. She did all this.
I'm getting down, but don't do it. See how there's a handle?
Damn, Aiden, my car. Your car matches my shoes. She's crippin' over here, y'all. And then Aaron got a surprise for you guys too. We're gonna go ahead and go with him and get the new surprise for his car. Hopefully it's true. What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to the video, y'all. So your boy woke up late. I'm supposed to meet up the guys, Aaron, Jose, Ferek, Dick, and Sebi and stuff at car wash before we go to a detail meet, because we were up wrapping the car for Aiden, which is Aaron's little brother. Honestly, let's see if it's gonna be popping. I'm already late. It started at 8. It's already 8:41, so we're about 41 minutes late. Usually this spot gets super packed, so let's see if it's popping. I woke up late. I'm sorry, y'all.
Oh my gosh, is that drippy builds? Oh my gosh.
Bro, okay, so I know. So I heard my alarm. I got up. I lay back down and it was over with. Oh yeah, Chizzy's here, y'all. That nigga's all the way from fucking Sacramento. Crazy. Hey, shut the fuck up. You need a haircut.
Yeah, can you cut me today?
No, ain't no more. Sorry, gotta go.
I didn't want to cut. I just want to line.
I'll line you up.
Line me up, baby. Go hard, bro.
No, why?
What's up, guys? It's your boy Chizzy back here with another video. I hope. Fuck, I don't even know, bro.
Ah!
I'm gonna change this rap, but this is fucking caked.
Hey, I was just telling the vlog today right now. It's changing, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Jeez, Carlos's car is so fucking fire. Look at the flake. I know you guys can see this on the camera. Oh my god. Where is he? Shut your butt cheeks up. Make them go. And then Chris's car. Oh my god. Vivid's car. Oh my god. Winchell's car. Oh my god. Everybody's car is so fire right here. Team and Lease right here. And then you got Winchell. And then Mafia fucking people's cars up. Oh
hey, Sam always messes up people's cars.
Right? Look at Carlos's wing, y'all. How y'all feel about it? I love it. 326 wing. His brand. Usually see these on like FRS BRZs and 240s and stuff like that. But how do you guys feel about it on the Mustang? I feel like it goes real good with the body line. Everything. Oh my gosh. George! Y'all know what to do. Follow George. Go to his shop. Get everything done, y'all. Yay! Back over here in another one. Aaron kept looking at me like, damn, bro, I'm not gonna rev it. I'm not gonna do it. Are you okay? Hey, you look like a little chihuahua when you sneeze. All the boys pulled up. Chris ended up being behind us. He left before us. Oh, makes sense. Makes sense. And look, my more tecuaches, manolonas. I don't know what it means, but yeah. Look at the venue, man. This is goals, y'all. I would love a shop just like this. Pretty sure you could fit like probably 2 lifts over here and probably like stackers where you can stack the cars on top like how Randy and Lemonade has it. But look at Bougie's car, y'all. On Emmett's, cord, bagged, VIP, beautiful window tint, star lights. You know, I got that too, but his is probably 3 times better. He got it professionally done. Sheesh, this is the setup that I want. Look at all these guys. This is the setup I want. Simple and clean. Bougie's shit is so clean, y'all. Starlights in the back, suede, Make sure he has the freaking air compressor thing. Nozzle. Oh my god. Hey, how y'all feel about this? Bougie shit. Rate it. It's your cousin. Rate it.
10, bro, to my cousin.
Ah, rate it.
9.8.
It's still high. It's still high. It's close to perfect. It's close to perfect.
It's very clean, basically done.
Exactly. So if you guys don't know, we are at a truck show. We left the other show, come over here. Obviously, you got these two freaking Beamer guys go here smashing like crazy. He did something that we didn't get to catch on video.
That's like perfect. What's up?
Sheesh, y'all look at Jose's car. He has a carbon hood now. How you feel about it?
I like it.
I love it. It goes real good with the. People always think he has black, but he's a Crip, you know? It's a blue.
It's Laguna Seca blue.
Laguna Seca blue. Laguna nigga blue. I had to put the camera to the black guy. But Jose shit is fucking sexy. Bro, the stickers fucking pop when they're driving. On the CE?
Some people say that the SO.
Oh my god. We're probably just gonna go eat after this, and then we gotta go do Aaron's brother's car, and then stay tuned for Aaron's car reveal. There's something happening to the car. Right, Aaron? Soon. Real soon. Alright, you guys, so this is the little outcome. Amanda and her family been going crazy. Look at that. So they still got the front bumper, and they also have the rear bumper. Aaron's over there. Sebi is knocked out. Sheesh, brother. So after we left last night, it was probably like 2 a.m. We woke up. Well, they woke up and went to the meet. So this is the outcome of everything. I went home and knocked out. Trunk's almost done. Rear quarter. Yeah, rear quarters, bumper, front bumper, and side skirts. And this is pretty much done. Obviously, I probably won't be here when it's done. But Aaron got you guys. He got the footage for y'all. So if you guys see in here, if you guys don't see in here, it's Aaron's fault.
I got y'all.
Oh, he got y'all. So we're going to put it on him. Put it on him. And also, we got to show your rims, but not yet. They'll see in this video, but not until later. Woo! Look at this sexy ass Asian dude.
Look at Aiden's car. Side skirt's done. We fucked up with this front bumper, I'm not gonna lie. But y'all can't really see it from the front on the up on this top view. But if y'all look close, this shit's clapped. But it's not bad. Those who did or who have done wrap know how hard it is to do the front bumpers or even the rear bumper. We got this thing just prepped over here on this little table. Gotta knock this out. Have a little, this is a little diffuser that goes on here. But it doesn't look as hard as the front bumper. But once we knock this out, we'll be done with the car. And also I'm gonna show y'all the wheels right now. If y'all see it on this side. Some Kansei Rokus, 18 by 10.5. Got these things ceramic coated yesterday, so now we're gonna throw these on after I wash this car. Get rid of these comps. They look all right, but it's time for something new. Quick little update for y'all. It's hot out here. It's like 90 degrees, sweating, but we got a little quick update. Let's see. I got the rears in. They're looking a little funky as fuck right now, but funky as hell. This side too. Working on the fronts, but in the fronts, I gotta adjust the camber on it. Max this bitch out so the shit will fit. But other than that, it's not looking too bad. Looking like an actual M3 this time. But once I get all the wheels up, once I get them all down, put it on the floor, see how it looks, and I'll update you guys in. Does anything ever go smooth, bro? I snapped one of the bolts on top. One of these right here. Fuck. Let's hope one of these will fucking fix it. Cause that shit sucks. All I'm trying to do is lower this thing. But I'm gonna try to hit that thing out and then see if that works. Stay tuned, y'all. Yes, sir. So I had a max the camber. I took off the spacer. I was thinking about putting a 5 on, but it's pretty close already. I mean, the rears can come out a little bit more, but I think they might rub. Yeah, I don't know. But then, yep, that's it. It cleared the big brakes, front and rear, which is nice. I didn't have to put a spacer on it, but that's it. What do you guys think?
Fuck you, see I can't trust my own self. North side, that's where I'm from, I can't help sleep.